penveu is an affordable, handheld device that makes projectors and large screen displays interactive. This video demonstrates how penveu can turn any flat surface, from pull-down screens to flat panel displays, into an interactive whiteboard. Use this video to help you get started using your penveu system. First, install your penveu system. Installing penveu is easy. Attach one end of the VGA cable already connected to your projector or display to the port on the back of the view labeled display. Attach the VGA cable provided with the penveu system to the port on the back of the view labeled PC and the other end to the VGA port on the computer. Insert the USB cable provided with the penveu system to the USB port on the back of the view and the other end to a USB port on the computer. Plug in the power adapter to the back of the view and an electrical outlet. The view must be plugged into a power supply when in use. Before you start, follow these steps to prepare your equipment for best penveu performance. If using a projector, place your projector to avoid shadows being cast on the display. An overhead or elevated mount is preferred when using the penveu system both directly on the display in touch mode, as well as away from the display in remote mode. Projectors on tabletops can be used, but only for remote writing away from the display in remote mode. Power on your projector, monitor, or any other chosen display device. Find out and note the native resolution of your display. The native resolution of the display is usually specified in the display's manual or listed in the display's menu user interface. Make sure that the aspect ratio setting on the display is set to auto. The aspect ratio setting is usually listed in the display's menu user interface. Ensure that the computer resolution is set to match the native projector or TV resolution. Most computers will auto-detect and adjust to match. Follow these directions to verify or change your computer resolution. On Windows 7 and Windows 8 PCs, this can be done by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Screen Resolution from the drop-down menu. On Windows XP PCs, right-click on the desktop and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Go into the Settings tab at the top of the Properties window to access the resolution settings. penveu can be set to work with any display size. Measure and note the projected display size by measuring the diagonal length of the projected image. There are 5 size settings that can be set on penveu. Auto enables penveu to automatically determine your display size. Small for displays smaller than 35 inches in diagonal length, or about a yard, or the length of your arm. Medium for displays between 35 inches and 70 inches. Large for displays between 70 inches and 100 inches. And auditorium for displays larger than 100 inches or larger than 3 yards. Charge the pen battery before use. Charge the pen in the view or the dock. When all 4 lights are blue, the pen battery is fully charged. Start by placing the pen in the view to establish communication. Remove the pen from the view when the pen tip indicator turns green. A message box will appear on the display with instructions to connect the pen. First, we're going to demonstrate using penveu away from the display in remote mode. So, for the time being, Please do not yet touch the display with the pen tip as instructed in the message box. We will connect the pen to use penveu in touch mode later in this video. Press the undo back button to disable touch mode and use in remote mode. Make sure you are in pen mode. Press the silver mode button to switch between mouse mode and pen mode. When in pen mode, a pen icon will appear on the upper left button, which is the pen button. Now you can write in remote mode in two ways. Either press the upper left button, which is the pen button, or squeeze both grip buttons together. The lower left button operates as an undo button. To clear everything written on the display, either press and hold the undo button or press the menu button and select the Clear All option. If at any time you wish to center the cursor on the display, flick the pen side to side. Once the drawing icon has recentered, point the pen tip towards the center of the screen to realign the pen with the drawing icon. There are three tools in pen mode: a pen, a highlighter, and eraser. Toggle between the three tools by tapping the touch scroll. Change the color of the pen or highlighter by sliding your finger along the touch scroll. Press the lower right button, which is the capture button, to capture the current displayed image and save it to the built-in USB memory in the view. To open your saved screen captures, press the menu button and select the Load option. The second wheel will show a chronological list of all images stored, with the most recent saved or accessed capture highlighted. Under the second wheel is a window that shows a thumbnail image, allowing you to view the highlighted images before loading or deleting. Press View to display the selected image on the screen. The word Image will appear and blink at the top of the display. Once you retrieve your previous work, you can continue from where you left off and even erase what you've done before. There are three ways to exit out of a loaded image. Either press the silver mode button to switch to mouse mode, then press it again to return to pen mode, or hold the undo back button, or press the menu button, and under the Load option, select Exit in the third wheel. The whiteboard option lets you control your background. If not using a computer source, this option provides a convenient background image for presentations. There are several options of whiteboard backgrounds. None means the background will be the current image displayed on your computer. White will show a completely white board. Green will show an authentic green board, and black will show a black board. For each of the background options, you can select lines, line grid, or dot grid. Penveu can also be used as a mouse. Press the silver mode button to switch to mouse mode. When in mouse mode, the two upper buttons operate as left and right click buttons. The touch scroll operates as a scroll wheel. Squeezing both grips will also operate as a left click button. To achieve the best performance from your penveu system, especially when using a projector, there are two actions you can take to fine-tune and maximize the quality of your projected image. First, adjust the projector's focus. This is only applicable when using projectors. On the pen, press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size, Adjust Focus. This displays a special Adjust Focus image. On the projector, Adjust its focus until the center of the displayed image is perfectly sharp. On the pen, press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size, and select Auto to close the Adjust Focus image. Second, adjust the phase setting. Phase settings applies to both projectors as well as flat panel displays. Phase setting adjustments are only needed for large screen sizes, 70 inches or larger. On the pen, press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size, Adjust Phase. This displays a special Adjust Phase image. On the projector or display, adjust the phase settings until faint, shimmering horizontal lines are minimized. This may also be called tune or fine-tune. If vertical bars are also visible, as shown, you may need to adjust the horizontal size setting as well. On the projector or display, adjust its horizontal size until no vertical bars are visible. This setting may also be called sync, tracking, coarse, or clock. On the pen, press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size, and select Auto to exit the phase screen image. Finally, adjust the pen view settings for display size. On the pen, press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size to choose your display size. Set the screen size to Auto, and penveu will automatically select the appropriate screen size. Or, manually set your display size as per the 4 sizes previously outlined. After setting your screen size, press the pen tip against the display surface to reinitiate the pen connection process. Please note that if penveu detects that the computer resolution does not match the native resolution of the display device, the message box will display both resolutions. You can also access this information from the menu user interface. Press the menu button and select Settings, Screen Size, Display Resolution, and Current Resolution. If the resolutions do not match, set the computer resolution to match the native resolution of the display device, as previously demonstrated. Hold the pen perpendicular to the display screen with the camera on top and touch the pen tip anywhere on the display screen until you hear a beep and feel the pen vibrate. The beep indicates a successful connection between the pen and the view. The beep will be followed by a message box that appears briefly. The box indicates the connection score, which is typically 5 or greater. During the Connect the Pen process, if the connection is unsuccessful, or if a low connection score is received, a message box will appear indicating possible connection problems. Press the Capture button to display a helpful instruction screen. The Help screen provides tips and corrective actions you can take to optimize your display for the best penveu performance. Now you can use the pen in touch mode as well as in remote mode. When in pen mode, press the tip against the surface to write in touch mode. As previously demonstrated, when writing in remote mode, either press the upper left button, which is the pen button, or squeeze both grip buttons together. When in mouse mode, pressing the tip against the surface of the display operates as a left-click button. And as previously demonstrated, when using in remote mode, the 2 upper buttons operate as left and right-click buttons, while squeezing both grip buttons together operates as a left-click button. We hope you enjoy using penveu.